Hey, beautiful souls. So, what is this sacred well-being community that I've been going on about? It's an infusion of science, spirituality, and slowing down. That's where the magic happens in this crazy, chaotic world full of distractions. Slowing down is becoming an art form, and this is a beautiful community to help experience this beautiful life, to evolve together, to expand, to grow, to love on each other, to elevate each other. This is where all the magic is happening. So come along and enjoy this beautiful ride in sacred well-being.